Study the following information carefully and answer the given questions. Ram is northeast of Raja, who is north Ramu. Ramesh is west of Ramu and north of Raghu. Then, Ram is in which direction with respect to Raghu? Options are option A, southwest, option B, northwest, option C, northeast, option D, southeast, and option E, none of these. Let's draw the diagram based on the information. In the statement they given that Ram is northeast of Raja, who is north Ramu. Here this is Ram and he is northeast of Raja. So Raja here and this is northeast direction from Raja. And also given that Raja is north to Ramu. So Ramu here and this is north direction from Ramu. In the next statement they given that Ramesh is west of Ramu and north of Raghu. Here this is Ramesh and he is west of Ramu. So Ramesh here and this is west direction from Ramu. And also given that Ramesh is north of Raghu. So Raghu here and this is north direction from Raghu. So this is the final diagram. In the question they are asking that Ram is in which direction with respect to Raghu. In the diagram, Raghu here and Ram here. Here Ram is in northeast direction with respect to Raghu. So the answer is option C, northeast.